Hey, it's your boy Crypto Expat back with another video. In this video, we're going to talk about a really undervalued project right now. It's set to explode. I think this is going to be one of those coins that you're going to see massive gains in 2021. So let's hit the intro. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification, because I'd love to have you as a subscriber and I want to welcome you to the family. Alright, so guys, I told my Patreon group about this last week when it was around about $37, $36, and the project is called Elrond, or eGold, sometimes they call it. This project is a blockchain infrastructure project, and it's been sitting there for it seems like forever, just sitting in the background. But now it's really starting to gain some momentum, and I think that this one's going to do really well this year. They do have their Marja wallet, which is going to be launching very soon, and I think this is going to be the catalyst for this epic price rise that we're going to see. So this is happening in basically 5 days time. If we just very quickly talk about the project and what it does before we talk about price predictions and where this can go, okay? So Elrond, the internet scale blockchain, is live, all right? So a highly scalable, fast and secure blockchain platform for distributed apps, enterprise use cases, and new internet economy. Developers, validators, and businesses use Elrond to build new internet economy, massively scale, secure and efficient, and developer friendly. So you can stake your rewards on Elrond, and you can do that now. It goes a little bit about the partners, the blockchain, a little bit about all the information that you need to know. The current price, the market cap, the volume, and so forth. All right. This is the team behind it. So they're pretty professional. They have big partnerships already. And I'm scratching my head. Well, why is this token, why is this project still so, it's only, let's have a look. It's $47. So we could be looking at something that potentially is so it is undervalued now. And it's just ready to explode. It's just the right time, ripe time, I should say. How Elrond is different is because it's fast, okay? It's super fast.
I feel the need for speed. Ow!
The performance are currently 15,000 transactions per second. If we compare that to Ethereum, is 15 transactions per second. So okay, 6-second block time and 0.001 cent, a tenth of a cent cost, and it can scale beyond 100,000 transactions per second. The testnet has done 365,000 transactions per second. So how it achieves this is through what they call sharding, and this is actually a term, or it kind of derived from databases. Sharding is a horizontal partitioning, a database design principle that separates database services to spread the load. The introduction of this technology is for blockchain to solve scalability issues and latency issues. Implementing sharding in the blockchain, the network separates into two different teams, shards. The shards can process transactions in parallel. Each node will have only a part of the data on the blockchain, not the entire information. As a result, more transactions can be processed at the same time. So if you can just have a look at this example here, you're about to see exactly how sharding works. Okay, this is how they achieve the speed which Ethereum and Bitcoin and many other blockchains lack. They're going to have this Marja wallet, which is really going to have the speed. It's going to have the speed that essentially could drive social media platforms could use this Elrond technology. So there's eGold in your Samsung hardware wallet. Okay, so as we go to the next one, Piccolo Research also done a write-up on this, and they said that it was a buy. Okay, so Piccolo Research, they've been around since 2017. They sort of faded off a little bit for a while, but then they just they have come back. So basically in December, they said this is a buy, and target price $68. I think if you buy this token, it's going to go way more than $68. All right. They've also got integration with BNB. We are therefore excited to announce the Elrond network will be interoperable with the Binance Smart Chain. This will allow the free flow of assets issued on one chain to participate in the DeFi opportunities on another chain. By wrapping eGold and other Elrond native assets as BEP20 tokens on the Binance Smart Chain, or by wrapping BEP20 tokens on the Elrond network as ESTD tokens. Standalone DeFi projects on either chain will gain exposure on to the combined total asset value on both ecosystems. So it's very important to understand that all these projects, Polkadot, Ethereum, Elrond, all these new blockchains and side chains, they're all integrated. Okay, they're not against each other. Some people are saying Polkadot's is the Ethereum killer. I think that all these projects, they're all in it for the same reasons. All right, they want to see cryptocurrency expand. They want to see a mass adoption, and they all work with each other. They're all interoperable, right? They're all connected. They all marry with each other, so then they all can grow their ecosystems on different side chains, on different blockchains, and they're all there to do and help each other. So I don't think that this is any way a competitor to Polkadot or Ethereum. They're all there to grow, and some of them have been developed like Polkadot because of the inefficiencies of Ethereum. And Elrond is, I just think it's such a one of those blockchains that it's like getting into, I guess you could say getting into one of the major blockchains, Ethereum or Bitcoin early on in the days. I don't think it's going to reach that height, but it certainly has the potential because the tech there is certainly sound. And when you can reach 250,000 transactions per second, you can build massively on this. So this is the Marja wallet, and it's going to be launching the app's going to be launching in 5 days. So this is what is fueling this hype and this anticipation. All right, and it's getting a lot of exposure for Elrond. So this is here to here. You can go to marja.com and check it out. Quite a nice website, and they really talk about what this does. There's 50,000 users already on the waiting list. All right, so I might get access to that now. Okay, so now I won't miss out when that comes out. Yeah, so it looks like that this is going to be incorporated. This can have the benefits of, because they've got the speed with all different applications, either social media, NFTs. It just, what they're building with Elrond just seems to fit in all that type of, all those categories. So very exciting stuff indeed. Okay, so this is probably the magic question everyone wants to know. What can Elrond go to? What is the potential of this coin, this project? It is a blockchain infrastructure coin, so this is not just a dApp that's built on Ethereum like you see with all these DeFi plays, okay, that come and go. All right, this is a enterprise blockchain infrastructure project. That's a long word. And it has got the speed. It's even faster than Zilliqa. All right, Zilliqa can manage 5,000 to 5,000 transactions per second. Elrond can manage up to, or testnet of over 260,000 transactions per second. Ethereum 2.0, they're saying that it can handle 100,000 transactions per second. So already the speed is already blown, obliterated Ethereum and Zilliqa. All right, and this is so undervalued in my opinion. It's just been sitting there forever and no one's noticed. It's ranked 51 in CoinGecko, so it is on the page 1, but maybe people just aren't scrolling down because they're so into Ethereum and so into Polkadot. This one here, I think it's poised very, very nicely. Okay, it's got 818 million market cap, but still for a blockchain infrastructure project, that is still very, very small compared to Ethereum, 160 billion. All right, so this is the thing about what I like about Elrond, apart from all the things I already mentioned. The tech is sound. This is what I like, okay? The circulating supply is 17 million, but the total supply, all right? The total supply is only 20,397,843. So you can, when you look at Ethereum, you know, it's got an infinite supply and the current supply is 114 million. You look at Zilliqa, okay? Zilliqa's got like 21 billion coins. Even all these other projects, Solana, Nia, they're all blockchains with massive supply, all right? And even the circulating supply, you know, it's not all out there. This has more than, what, 80%, if my maths is correct? It's got more than 80% of the current circulating supply already out there. Okay, the total supply is 20 million plus. There's going to be no more minted, all right? And the circulating supply is already 80%, is already out the marketplace. So that means there's going to be very small dilution in the years to come. So that's why looking at the token metrics, and I'm just going, wow, this is amazing. Why haven't I noticed this earlier? Now, if you compare this to Bitcoin, Bitcoin's got 21 million. This is not going to go to the point of Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin 600, 700 or so billion, and has 21 million coins. This is not going to go to that. Obviously, you can't compare it to Bitcoin or Ethereum, but it is a blockchain project, and it is really, really early days with this one, with only 818 million coins and 80% of supply already out there. Very minimal dilution, less than 21 million coins, only 20 plus million coins. So how high can this go? Well, it just depends on the adoption, obviously, and where the money is going to come in. I think this Marja, that wallet, is going to help it get exposure, and plus, you know, already people are very excited about this project. They have a very strong community, very similar to like Chainlink and Cardano. You got all these tribalists and fanboys, and that's fine. You know, they can label themselves whatever. But to me, I don't label myself to anyone. I am just there for the investment, and I will pull out at a drop of a hat if I have to see if there's anything that goes wrong. That is the difference with me. However, I do like this project a lot, and at $47.99, it is absolute steal. It's an absolute bargain priced blockchain. Come on. Less than 21 million supply. I mean, where are you going to find that? You won't find that ever again, or not too soon anyway. So where do I think this is going? I think that this can go. Now, you know me, I always do conservatives. I don't blow and hype things up. There's other YouTubers out there that's what they do, right? They get people pumped up and hyped up. And that's how they get their views, right? Because they want viewership and they want people to pump their video so they can make money off the AdSense. But me, I'm more conservative. I think that with the current situation with DeFi and everything going the way it is, it's just going absolutely crazy. And the money pouring in, we've just hit over $1 trillion. I think that this can go between 500 to 1,000 USD in the next 12 to 18 months. All right, so I'm saying $500 at the end of the year, and potentially $1,000 in a year and a half's time. Okay, and that's very conservative too. I think that's realistic. That would pump the market cap up to, what's that, 16 billion, and that's quite achievable. We could see a couple of trillion coming into cryptocurrency over the next 12 months to 18 months. So that's definitely achievable. So 500 by the end of the year, 1,000 by in 18 months. All right, guys, let me know your thoughts. What are your thoughts? Where do you think the price of this? Have you bought some bags? What do you think? Do you think that this is a good project? You can pick it up on Binance. So it's got quite a bit of exposure. It's been sitting there, even though we've noticed it really. Binance, OKX, Crypto.com, Bitfinex, Bilaxy, Gate.io, BitThumb, Liquid. Yeah, pretty much all of them. You can pick this up. Obviously, you can't pick this up on Uniswap because it is not a ERC20 token. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Let me know your comments. Please subscribe, hit that bell notification, and hit that thumbs up. It'll help in the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
Are you new to crypto and DeFi? You're not sure how to navigate through the scams and keep away from the sharks trying to steal your crypto? This space can be very daunting for newbies. That's why we created 100xcryptoacademy.com. This is not just a course on DeFi, yield farming, and investing, but a real community of like-minded crypto enthusiasts who believe crypto is the key to financial freedom. You'll get 50+ HD on-demand videos, ongoing research analysis and pre-screened, ICO and pre-sales, 4 weekly webinars per month, with live Q&A, private access to our exclusive forum, and our vibrant Telegram group for live chat and updates. All for a low monthly investment. Check out our Patreon at 100xcryptoacademy.com.